Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 11 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous question. Our first question was, who got Nobel Prize in Literature for 2020? K. Alexander, Louis Glock, Malala Yousafzai, option D. Kailash Satyarthi. The correct answer here is option B. Louis Glock. Recently, the Nobel Prize in Literature for the 2020 is awarded to the American poet Louis Glock. Louis Glock is an American poet. Okay. And the Nobel Prize in Literature is awarded by the Swedish Academy, Stockholm, Sweden. It is awarded in Stockholm, Sweden. Okay. Our second question was, when Indian Air Force Day is observed? 8 October, 9 October, 10 December, option D 12 November. The answer here is option A, 8 October. Every year in 8 October, Indian Air Force Day is celebrated, and this year the Indian Air Force celebrated is 88th anniversary of the Indian Air Force Day. Okay, and Indian Air Force is officially established in 8 October 1932 by the British Empire. At the time the name was Royal Indian Air Force, but name changed in 1950 and renamed as Indian Air Force. Okay, and R.K.S. Bhadoria is the chief of Indian Air Force. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when World Mental Health Day is celebrated? 9 October, 10 October, 11 October, option D 12 September. The correct answer here is 10 October. On 10 October, World Mental Health Day is celebrated. This day is celebrated with an objective of the rising awareness of mental health issues. Okay, and the theme of 2020 is mental health for all. Mental health for all is the theme of 2020. And another day also celebrated in 10 October, that is World Migratory Bird Day. World Migratory Bird Day also celebrated in 10 October, and the theme of 2020 of the World Migratory Bird Day is Birds Connect Our World. Birds Connect Our World is the theme of World Migratory Bird Day. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. What is the name of anti-radiation missile recently successfully test fired by DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization? Agni, Akash, Rudram, option D Prithvi. The correct answer here is option C Rudram. DRDO has successfully flight tested a new generation of anti-radiation missile. Remember, it is an anti-radiation missile. Okay, Rudram, the name of the missile is Rudram, and it is test fired from the Wheeler Island of the coast of Odisha. Wheeler Island of the coast of Odisha. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Odisha is in news. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and Professor Ganeshi Lal is the Governor of Odisha. Okay, and the Chief of DRDO is G. Satish Reddy. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has topped the Forbes India Rich List 2020? Mukesh Ambani, Gautam Adani, Shiv Nadar, option D Hinduja Brothers. The answer here is the chairman of the Reliance Industry, option A Mukesh Ambani. Recently, the Reliance Industry Limited chairman Mukesh Ambani has topped in the Forbes India Rich List for 2020, and the second position is achieved by Gautam Adani, and Shiv Nadar is in the third rank in the Forbes India Rich List 2020. Okay, you can see all the images of the Mukesh Ambani, Gautam Adani, and Shiv Nadar here. Okay, the top 3 richest portion of our India. Okay, next question. Who has been taken over the charge of Ministry of Consumer Affairs? Ministry of Consumer Affairs. As per you see the image of Union Minister Piyush Goyal here. The correct answer here is option D Piyush Goyal. Recently, the Union Minister Piyush Goyal has been assigned the additional charge of Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution because the Ramvilas Paswan, the Minister of the Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution, recently passed away. After the death of the Ramvilas Paswan, this charge is given to Piyush Goyal. Piyush Goyal is in also the Ministry of Commerce charge and Railway Minister also. Okay. Next question. KK Usha passed away. She was the first woman Chief Justice of which state? Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra. Option D, Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer here is Kerala. Option B is answer here. KK Usha, the former Chief Justice of Kerala High Court and the first woman of the Chief Justice of Kerala, passed away recently. She served as the judge from 1991 to 2000. 1991 to 2000. Okay, you can see the image of KK Usha here. Kerala is in news. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Pinarayi Vijayan is the Chief Minister of Kerala and Arif Muhammad Khan is the Governor of Kerala. Okay. Next question. Mukhyamantri Swarozgar Yojana launched in which state? Can you guys guess the answer here? If you identify this personality, then you can give the answer also. Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat is in the image here. The correct answer here is Uttarakhand. Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat has launched the Mukhyamantri Swarozgar Yojana. Okay, this scheme is aimed at promoting self-employment of the youth and promotion of the production of green energy. For the production of the green energy and the self-employment of the youth, Mukhyamantri Swarozgar Yojana is launched by Uttarakhand Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat. Uttarakhand is in news. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Dehradun is the winter capital and Garsan is the summer capital of Uttarakhand. Trivendra Singh Rawat is the Chief Minister and Baby Rani Maurya is the Governor of Uttarakhand. Okay. Next question. When National Postal Week is observed? 10 to 17 October, 9 to 15 October, 11 to 17 October or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is 9 to 15 October. Option B answer here. National Postal Week is observed in 9 to 15 October and World Postal Day is observed in 9 October. Remember, World Postal Week is World Post Day is observed in 9 October. For the National Postal Week is observed from 9 to 15 October. Okay. Next question. Which state became first in Har Ghar Jal state in the country by providing tap water? Odisha, Bihar, Goa. Option D, Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer here is Goa. Option C is correct here. Goa has become the first Har Ghar Jal state in the country by providing the tap water connection to every rural households. Okay. Goa is in news. The capital of Goa is Panaji and the Chief Minister of the Goa is Pramod Sawant. Pramod Sawant is the Chief Minister here. And recently the Bhagat Singh Koshyari, the Governor of Maharashtra, take the additional charge of the Goa also. Okay, because the Satyapal Malik is now the Governor of the Meghalaya, the previous Governor of the Goa. Okay. Next question. Who is appointed as new ATS Chief of Maharashtra? Jaijit Singh, Sanjay Kundu, Vikas Sharma. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Jaijit Singh. Option A is correct here. Maharashtra government has appointed Additional Director General ADG of Police Jaijit Singh as the Chief of the state's Anti-Terrorism Squad. The abbreviation of the ATS is Anti-Terrorism Squad. You can see the image of Jaijit Singh here, also here. Okay. Maharashtra is in news. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray and Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the Governor of Maharashtra. Okay. Next question. How much percentage of paddy procurement increase across the country? 20%, 30%, 48%, option D 50%. The answer here is 48%. Option C is correct here. The total procurement of the paddy across all states in the country has increased by 48% from 70.7% from 17.7 lakh ton in 2019 to over 26 lakh ton in 2020. In 2020 it is 26 lakh ton, the increase of 48% of the paddy procurement. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Okay, our first question is, who is selected for the Nobel Peace Prize 2020? Our second question is, World Bank projected India's GDP contract by how much percentage in financial year 2021? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. It is very much helpful in your preparation also. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group or in your friends. Thereby many students got help. Okay, and if you first visit Educational Wing, subscribe the channel for the further updates, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can get the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.